The most common misconception I've heard since I started this tax thing
Tell us.
is that monies in account will be taxed.
Okay.
That is wrong and false.
How? Why?
Well, calm down.
Why do you say
Let
that?
me explain.
Okay.
Nobody is coming to take out money from your account. Nobody. Whether it's 10 million that is in your account, 20 million, whatever it is, there is no tax on money in account.
Okay.
Know
Tell
that.
them.
What you will get taxed upon is your income. That's if you fall within the bracket. If you fall within the bracket,
Okay.
that will pay
Tax.
tax. How will the government know? Well, you're supposed to do a self-assessment. You are the one that will go and remit your tax.
Okay.
You've been doing this since. All the people that are employed have been paying tax since. This is just this whole tax thing is because there's public knowledge on it right now that was not there before. So if you are employed and anyone is paying you salary, you don't have any reason to bother yourself.
Okay.
If you're earning salary, the only thing that you can go and tell your employer is if you've now gone to buy like life insurance or annuity, an extra one, you can go and tell them to take it out from your own salary so that you don't pay in case you fall within the band that needs to pay tax, so that they take. And if you're a business owner, please look for a professional accountant to help you file and manage your tax.
Okay.
Simply help you to do your bookkeeping. One of the problems that business owners are having or have always had is that they have no proper record. They don't keep any records. What you need for taxation is to show the taxman record
Nigerians
that
are not
I
good
made
at
profit,
records.
that the fact that I have 100 million or 500 million sales, my profits there might just be 3 million naira, and you only pay tax on profit, not total sum, not sales. That's not how it works.
Okay.
So a lot of people need to calm down. Again, if you live in America, in Europe or Canada, and you've earned your money there and you're transferring money to your personal account, or you're sending money to your parents, that's a gift to your personal account. That's your money. That is not income. You are not going. Nobody's coming to say come and pay any money on that. That will scatter the whole system now. So everybody needs to calm down. Calm down. And Nigeria has a double taxation agreement with certain countries that if you pay taxes there, you don't pay here. For remote workers, don't worry, watch my video tomorrow. I will share that detail.
Okay.
I hope I made sense.
Of course you did.
Take care. This is
Online banker. Okay. So you have heard it. For those of you spreading the false narrative that money you're sending to your sibling or to your parents will be taxed. That money you send to your wife to pay the children's school fees or for the upkeep of the house will be taxed. That money that you receive from abroad will be taxed. Any money that enters into your bank account will be taxed. You have heard it. It's a lie. It's not true. The government is not going to go about taxing every single penny that enters into your account. Only your income, only your earnings from a business, your profits from a business will be taxed. Only your income will be taxed. Your salary will be taxed. So it's not some kind of demonic arbitrary taxation that is going to be happening from 2026. So there is no need to panic or start trying to hide that money in your bank account, withdrawing that money in your bank account to go and stash it somewhere under your mattress. There is no need for that. The process is not going to be different from what is obtainable abroad or even what has been happening. Like he said, Nigerians have been taxed, salary earners have been taxed. It's just businesses that the government is going to find a way to start collecting taxes from them as well. Government workers have always been paying their tax. People that are working legitimate companies, their tax have always been deducted before they are being paid. So those ones don't even have to worry. It's mainly businesses, registered businesses that have not been paying their tax, that will be taxed from next year. Your money is in the bank, in your savings account, they are still very much safe. They will not be taxed. Money in the savings account, never. For the money to even qualify as an income, it has to be in a current account. So why would the government go and start taxing money in a savings account? It's not possible. That is why there's a different kind of account for salary earners, which is the current account, and then the savings account, which is completely different. There's no way the government is taxing any money in your savings account. That's impossible, and that is the account we used to receive all these monies from relatives, from whether abroad. The money you send to your wife for upkeep, pay your children's school fees, it's from all from savings accounts. So why will the government tax that money? It's not possible. It's not going to happen. So money in your savings account is very much safe. Very much safe and free from taxation from next year. So please, let's get that clear and stop spreading the lie that government will start taxing money in savings account. It's not possible. It's not going to happen.